Hey, I'm back with another amazing company to shout out. Today we're going to be talking about Shanklin Heating, Air Conditioning, and Electric. These guys have a wonderful brand and they do a good job of the way that they lay it out on their website in a fun and engaging way. What I really love about them is how they've taken their mascot and essentially given the community a figure, a representation of Shanklin. And you can see that on Hank's community page. So what they do is they even offer, hey, uh, if you want Hank to show up at your next, organization's event or thing of that nature, let us know. And so there's even an engagement opportunity in that way. But what's cool is you can see all the cool community impacts that Hank is having in their market. And I just think it's so important when you have a mascot or creative elements that give your community a representation of your brand or your business, it helps connect the dots. And so Shanklin's done a good job with Hank and having a positive impact, which then creates a great customer experience. And you can see, and again, once again, their reviews are just wonderful. They have a little around 4.9 thousand reviews between two locations. And it just all that goes to say is, hey, the impact on the community is then felt in the customer experience. Now, it's important to understand how to leverage and grow that through your digital marketing efforts. So increasing visibility around these things is important. And that's why you see good social engagement from the Shanklin team and also great pages on the website. So if hope this is helpful. I hope you guys are enjoying this content. If you have somebody that a brand or a business that you would like me to shout out, that's great. Or if you'd like me to shout out your brand or your business, please reach out. Always happy to help and here for this exciting and fun content. Talk soon.